Hi guys, well I'm back and it's fall, and that means I have some fall decorations to share with you guys. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for clicking on this video. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you're new here, subscribe and comment below for what else you'd like to see me make in the future. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, we made it inside. And I'm sorry for the kids talking in the background. You might hear some voices, but right behind me and above me is where I like to decorate the most, on the ledge up there. So I would say a good majority of my decorations end up on that ledge. So let's go ahead and start there first. All right, so up here is where I like to display most of my decorations because, well, it's the perfect spot. But I need to get a taller stepladder because I can only just reach up here a few inches. And if I had a taller one, I could clean up here and work on creating more depth. But I think what I have works, so I'm happy as it is, even though I'm sure it could be better. Let me talk a little bit about my October, guys. It was a crazy month. I felt like a top that just kept spinning and I was going in all directions. I was very busy making earrings and setting up my new shop for Facebook and Instagram. You can follow me on there too. I am very active on those pages and I try to post daily at Artsy Charms Love and at Kassie. I also sub most days, and then I caught a cold, which lasted for 3 weeks. So when I realized how late in the season it was, I decided that this will be a goodbye to fall video. And I'm just now being able to share my decorations with you. I have 2 time-lapse videos for you as well, where I'll be making over a diorama for fall that you could try to recreate. And then I'll show you how I made over this cabinet for Halloween, or how I would have decorated it if I had time to do so for Halloween. So thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy watching. Alright, and next let's go ahead down this hallway, and I'll turn the lights on and turn the camera around so you can see. And down this hallway I just have a couple pumpkins on the wall, and then across from this in the same hallway there's this little cutout area in between the bathroom and my fishy bedroom. Don't look at that. But here is where I have this fall diorama in a vase that I would like to share with you today. So let's go ahead and see that next. All right, I am cleaning off the dust that had collected on the glass first, and I'm going to be leaving what's in here pretty much alone, which is just some muted fall colored glass beads and some potpourri that I had. And I'm just going to swap it out with this cute little pumpkin that I had. I think it's from Crate & Barrel. I have no idea. And just some miscellaneous fall gourds that I have lying around, and I'll be using them in here today. I think that you can recreate this easily using whatever items you have and just a large glass container like this. So here it is, all done and on display. I think it turned out really cute. I hope you like it, and I hope it inspires you to do something similar. And then right next to it in the boys' bathroom, there is this medicine cabinet that I also like to decorate. And I put out some owls and miniature pumpkins. So you can see there's a little bit of an owl theme going on. And then up top, I like to use some taller containers to add a little bit of height. And I'll use neutral florals like these white mums. And then anything else that is missing a home or I couldn't find a place for can go here too. Okay guys, and next you'll get to see how I make over this cabinet for Halloween. And I can't wait to share that with you, and you'll get to see that transformation now. All right, I finished clearing off the table and I'm just wiping off the dust and cleaning it up. And then I'm gonna be going into my box of goodies here and picking out some nice items that I'd like to reuse. And I had these placemats that I haven't used in a long time, and I think they turned out to be perfect for this makeover today. So I'm happy that I held on to these because what is old can be new again. And now I'm just swapping out my David Winters with this Halloween edition one that I brought back from my parents' house. And I was hoping to use it here and display it inside this cake stand. And then I'm just adding some lights, and I'll be adding some more of my favorite Halloween decorations to complete this makeover. Here are some bat cutouts. I downloaded the image from Martha Stewart's website when I was in college and cut them out onto some large craft paper in small, medium, and large sizes. And I cut them with scissors back before there were cutting tools like Cricuts, so it can be done by hand if you still have not purchased one of those neat little machines. And I'm just using sticky tack, which I find works better than tape. You could use double-sided tape too, but the sticky tack adheres better so they won't fall down. It also is harder to remove from the paper afterwards. And you might notice that the bats have faded a little. That's because I used to hang them up in the windows, and if you're in Florida and you don't have a UV resistant coating, then your items will fade. But I like to use a large table or floor and get an idea of how to display the bats, and then I add them from large ones to small ones so it looks like they're flying away into the night. I'll put a link in the description below to something similar if you'd like to try this yourself. Alright, and just when I thought I was done, I found this fabric and decided to use it here on the mirror. I got this fabric from Joann's, but then they discontinued it. They do sell something similar, but not with spiders and cobwebs. And then I added some glow-in-the-dark spiders from the Dollar Tree and some of this bat garland along the edge here. And it's just these little extra touches that make the decor go from nice to extra nice. And that is the complete makeover, guys. So now that it's all done, let's take an extra closer look at it. Okay, moving on. I thought I'd leave you with a look at the remaining decorations around my house. So this is what you'll see right as you enter into our home. I've started decorating more for fall and less for Halloween, and I stick to doing easy swap outs now for the holiday decorations, like this spider lantern you see here. That way I save on time for transitioning through the fall holidays. Also, I decorate for fall pretty early. I have been known to start at the end of September even. The more I collect though, the more I try to be smarter about how I decorate because I'm running out of places to store my things. So I've been looking for ways to be smarter about how I store my decorations and how I put them up. And I'll bet you appreciate these time-saving and storage tips as well. If you made it this far into the video, thanks for sticking around, and comment below if you enjoyed seeing how I decorate my home for fall, and then I'll know that you watched until the end. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy holidays.